Hello children, hope you all are doing good. So now you came to know about which one is more or which one is less. If I ask you that how many chocolates you got, will you able to tell me? You can tell me the number name and even you can write the number. Yes, you can. Today we will discuss or we are going to learn about the numbers as I have told you. So let's start with that. Look at the screen children. Here we have a picture of animal. Which animal it is? Yes, there is a horse. And next what is there? Tree is there. And mango fruit, your favorite one, isn't it? So next you have a ball. So children, do you know how many balls, how many mangoes and how many horses and even how many trees are there in that pic? Can you tell me? Yes, there is only one ball, one mango and one horse and one tree, isn't it? So, how to write this number? See children, like this, you have to first draw a standing line, then comes to a slant line, next comes to a sleeping line. Then you get the number 1. So what is the number name of this? O-N-E, 1. Got it children? Look at the picture. As I have told you, there is only one horse and only one tree, only one ball and only one mango, isn't it? So that one we can represent it as, see, the number 1 like this. Now you came to know how to write this number, isn't it? And even the number name. What is the number name? Can you repeat with me? O-N-E, 1. Okay. So next, see in another picture, there is a tree, bird, well, as well as a cow, house. Can you tell me how many birds are there? Yes, there is only one bird. And next, what about the cow? How many cows are there? There is only one cow, isn't it? So like that, how many wells are there? How many wells are there? Yes children, there is only one well. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಕಳು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಒಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So you have to write one cow. And next, bird ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ? one. So you have to write one bird. Well ಅಥವಾ ಬಾವಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ? one ಇದೆ. So one well. So like this children, even a house, ಎಷ್ಟು house ಇದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಒಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So one house. So like this you have to write and then you have to find out how many are there. Okay? Is that clear children? Have you got this? What is meant, how to write the number 1 and what is the, and how to write the number name of 1. Okay children, is that clear? Okay, next we will move on to the another number. After 1, usually children we say, see children, in this picture what I have done, I have increased only 1. For example, the balls I have kept here, one ball, then next another ball. And here tortoise I kept one tortoise, another one tortoise. Isn't it? And next we have duck, one duck, another one. Crane, next one crane is there and another bird, I mean crane itself. So how many are there? Can you tell me? See, if I cancel 1, it will become, you can say, oh, there is a 1. If I put one more to that, what you will say? Yes, that is nothing but 2 children. TWO. This 2, how to write this 2? See, make a curve like this, take it down, or you can say slant line, then sleeping line. Yes, this is called number 2. And the number name of 2 is TWO. Got it, children? What is the number name of this 2? TWO. 2. We can pronounce it as 2. Okay. So here how many balls are there? See, 1, then 2. How many tortoises are there? 1, 2. Isn't it? So how many ducks are there? 1, 2. How many cranes are there? 1, 2. So overall in the picture, each object we are having 2 times, isn't it? That's why we can say the number of those things are 2. Got it, children? Another example here on the screen I have. See, we have elephants. How many elephants are there? 1. Next one is, after 1 what we have to say? Number 2. So this 2. So how many elephants are there together? 2. Very good. So next comes here giraffe. So how many giraffes are there? This is 1 and that is 2. So together how many? 2 giraffes. And next you have on the screen deer. So this is deer 1 and that is 2. So together how many deers are there? 2. Already children ಹೇಗೆ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದು? ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು? ಈ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲೊಂದಿದೆ, ಈ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲೊಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್? 2 chocolates. Got it, children? How to identify number 2? And then the name of number 2 is TWO. Have you understood this one? Very good. So next we'll move on to the number. See, another one I have increased here. Another object I have increased here, children. That is, instead of 2 balls, I have kept one more. Here already there are 2 balls. I have kept one more ball. So how many are there now? This is 1, 2. And what about this one? This is called 3. Another example here we have apples. See, 1 apple I have, 2 apple I have. The next one apple, this name is 3. How many apples I have now? 3 apples, isn't it? So how to write this one? How to write number 3? See, on the screen you have to draw a semicircle, then again joining this one, again a semicircle, you will get number 3, isn't it? So the number name of this 3 is THREE. See, isn't it? So this is called number 3, children. Okay. Some more examples here on the screen we have pumpkin. Here 1, 2, and this one 3. So together how many pumpkins we have here? 3. Got it, children? So next another one we have here, fish. See, 1, 2 fish. If I add one more fish, if I placed one more fish there, it will become 3. Isn't it? How many fishes are there? 3 fishes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So like this, children, you have to draw, or you have to write number 3 as well as identify the number name of 3. Okay. So children, you came to know about number 1, number 2, number 3. For example, when you are going for athletics or playing somewhere, you will tell to your friend that, let's see, for a running race, all your friends and you were running and someone has reached first. There you will say, hey, I came first. And then your other friend say, I came second. And your another friend, I came in third place. Like this, 1, 2, 3. Isn't it? They will say, I got number 1. And another friend will say, I got number 2. And your another friend will say, I got number 3. So that is nothing but these numbers. You have to write the numbers as I have shown you on the screen, as well as you have to write the number names as I have told you. Got it, children? So next we'll move on to the another number is called number 4. See, already we know number 1, 2, 3. Next comes number 4. Okay. So here, children, look at the screen. Here we have an example of again balls. Already how many balls we had before? 3 balls, isn't it? So what I have done, ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So how many balls we have together now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? So this is called number 4. How to write this number 4 then? Standing line, sleeping line, then again a standing line like this. So like this you have to write number 4. And what is the number name of this 4? See, F-O-U-R, 4. Got it, children? Another example we have on the screen. See, there you have toy cars. Can you tell me how many cars are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many cars are there? 4. Next we have bicycles. Can you tell me how many bicycles are there? Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many bicycles are there, children? 4. So these numbers you have to tell serially. See, 1, adadmele yav number barutte? 2. Means if you increased 1, you will get 2. If you increase 1 more, you will get 3. If you increase 1 more, you will get 4. And next here on the screen we have TV. How many TVs are there? See, let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there? 4. Yes. So children, now you came to know about the number 4, isn't it? So next the number is, see what I have done, to the same balls I have increased 1 more. Here I put 1 more ball to that. How many you have now? How many balls you have? Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another one left. Then what is the number of that? Yes, it is number 5. So how many balls you have, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now you have 5 balls. 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next comes 5. So how many fingers you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this. Got it, children? So another example here we have, look at the screen, kites. Can you count how many kites are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't it? So here you have 5 kites. And next, what do you have on the screen? Yes, bells. How many bells are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, yes, exactly, 5. So how many bells are there, children? 5. Then how to write these? How to write this number? See on the screen, first you have to start from the sleeping line. Next, a small standing line. Then draw a semicircle. There you get the number 5, isn't it? So the number name of this number 5 is F-I-V-E. What is that? F-I-V-E. Together the number name is 5. Got it, children? You came to know about the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. So children, today I hope you have enjoyed with me by seeing this video, and thank you for watching this video, children. See you soon in the next video.